Hi, I'm Lauren. You might recognize me from a recent episode of House Hunters International.
Oh no, you're not impressed!
That was pretty crazy. But before I got a professional involved, I was doing a ton of my own research. So whether you're house hunting to buy or to rent, looking in a new country, or just in the next town over,
Got a decision to make. I do.
Organization is key. In this video, I'm going to show you how Bubble Up kept my house hunt super organized and made life so much easier. I, for one, didn't know a darn thing about Amsterdam before I got here, and maybe you don't know much about the neighborhoods that you're considering either. But even if you do, organizing your research in folders helps you weed through the pros and cons. When you're scouring the internet looking for your new home, you're probably finding listings from a ton of different websites. But putting them into Bubble Up folders helps to consolidate your options. And once they're all in there, you can do tons of fun things. You can make a roll and show it to your realtor. For example, these are the kinds of listings that I'm interested in, these are the properties that I like. Move the properties into an off-the-market folder as they get rented or sold. Lastly, use reactions to mark properties that you're particularly interested in. Sometimes you view a ton of properties before you find your forever home, or in my case, 1-year lease. In any event, it can be really overwhelming and you can quickly forget what property had what it looked like, how much it cost, all the little details the realtor told you, etc. Bubble Up is the ideal place to jot down all of your notes right alongside the listing link. You can also use the in-app camera to take photos of the property as well, which can be saved alongside the listing link. My move was super easy. After all, I was living out of a suitcase. But yours may not be so simple. If you have friends, use them. Reward them with food and with drinks because moving with friends is a heck of a lot more fun than if you're doing it on your own. Lastly, if you're making a really big move, you're probably researching various moving companies. Keep them all in one place. Or maybe you have a long list of things to do before the move. Keep it handy and check them off as you go. You might also have loads of things that you're trying to sell as a result of your move. So take photos of them and put them in a Bubble Up folder. You can then make a roll of these items and distribute it online to friends and to family. This will get things off of your hands so much more quickly. Oh, so many possibilities. I was house hunting solo, but I'm sure that many of you watching are not. The beauty of Bubble Up folders is that they are easily shared with others, so invite your husband, invite your mom, invite your realtor. You can also give people different permissions so that they can only view the content or even edit it as well. Totally up to you. Moving always results in a shopping list, doesn't it? So whether it's things that you want, that space above the fireplace definitely needs a new 65-inch TV, or things that you need, moving to a new country with a suitcase is such a joy. Bubble Up is a great place for saving and compiling all of the links and notes for the various things that you need to buy. I hope that these Bubble Up tips and tricks help you as much as they helped me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more content like this. We promise to help keep you organized and productive in all areas of your life. Happy house hunting!